Good evening, folks. Welcome to my channel. Firstly, I would like to thank all my subscribers and viewers who are actually watching my content and supporting me. I know the numbers are few, it's just handful, but still it's quite motivating. Really a big thank you. A topic which is running through my mind right now is a very complex topic. Like, I know if I'm going to speak on this, I'll get another of that barrage of hate messages, but I don't care, seriously. We in India have only two religions. Besides our personal religion, we follow two major religions, that is Bollywood and cricket. We worship these Bollywood actors and these cricketers as though they are our gods. Literally, we have temples in their name. We worship them. We celebrate them. We applaud them. Even if they are stupid, ridiculous, nitwit, dumbass, we are chasing them, running after them, lusting after them. We aspire to be like them. They are influencing our life. They are inspiring us. Oh my God. They are there in every aspect of our life. You just put on the TV. The ads are in two categories, either these Bollywood actors or the cricketers. These shameless, useless, worthless cricketers. You just play your game, right? They're coming in selling biscuits, soft drinks, chips, underwear, banyan, tire, cement, toothpaste, face wash. I don't know what else. And the same thing with these Bollywood actors and actresses. Some of these women go 2 steps ahead to sell V-wash and clean and dry. Vaginal intimate wash. Means the women should be more into harming our health. Constantly forcing us to watch their faces whether we like them or not. Every single channel, and some of them are actually selling these tobacco products like these gudka, pan, masala and all that kind of thing, and alcohol based products, but they come across like soda or mineral water, Blender's Pride mineral water. And all these cricketers are actually promoting such things. You're supposed to be an athlete. Just what are you, a model? And why should I buy a product looking at your face? What is the value you're adding to the biscuit? What is the value you're adding to the milk powder? Boost is the secret of my energy. Once upon a time in 80s and 90s, it was very sparingly, and those people were actually talented. But nowadays, the whole cricket team comes in. If you have to see Pepsi, everybody's faces will be there. You have to see Lay's, everybody's faces will be there. Washing powder also they have come in. They're so shameless. What is the point of having cricketers in washing powder? May I know? What is the point of having them in toothpaste or your soap? Please explain to me. All those big corporations, they need to answer me. Unilever, Procter and Gamble, please answer. What is the point of keeping them everywhere? These days, this Deepika Padukone, I don't know, her days are bad or she's falling on some bankruptcy. She's come in some masala ad. Surekha masala ad. Suruchi. I mean, look at her. I mean, you're doing Tissot and you're doing this international, and then suddenly you all are doing this. So annoying to see their faces. No, they don't have perfect lives. At least the Bollywood ones are full of surgery and extensive makeup, filters. Even these cricketers are so ugly looking, horrible. Our normal guys will be better looking. It's just that they play cricket. Their only qualification is they. अब इनके साथ साथ इनके खानदान को भी झेलना पड़ता है, इनकी बीवी, इनके बच्चे. क्यों यार? Why? People in India, please get a life. And cricket is a legalized gambling. People are watching, they are whiling away their time, wasting their time, even watching these Bollywood movies in the name of entertainment. There is no entertainment, zero entertainment. These days it is brand replacements or product placements. We are seeing that 2 hours, 3 hours movies, and we are seeing different brands, what they are eating, drinking, sleeping, wearing, which country they are going, promoting tourism. These cricketers, we are so fascinated. Oh, he's sleeping with this actress, he's going around with that actress. Oh, he got drunk in a party. Who cares? Lame ass losers, who cares? Why should we waste our time on energy on cricket? And what have we achieved out of it? Can you tell me? Waste of time, people. Actually, it is more like a status symbol. Like, you have to feel proud that at least you know so much knowledge about cricket. And I see females being very cool about it. Oh, cheering up all that. I said I don't know, maybe just to impress their boyfriends, or maybe to come on the screen, or just to have a date kind of a thing, so they will pretend and be desperate and go with the guy. I'd be like, no thank you, please continue. You can go and play your cricket or go, because sorry, I really do not prefer it. I don't mind tolerating a Bollywood flop movie to cricket. It's like a religion. People have become fanatics, fundamentalists, radicals. Arey, some silly movie they will be even creating riots. Arey, that Padmavati. I said, क्या है चूतिया जैसा कुछ तो movie है, and people were like going crazy over it. मैंने बोला धन रखो यार, ये तो मूवी है, ये पैसे बना रहे हैं, लोगों को पागल बना रहे हैं ताकि मूवी और हिट हो जाए. जितनी कंट्रोवर्सी है मूवी में उतनी हिट, चाहे उसमें सर है ना पैर हो स्टोरी में. People have lost it. Seriously, I feel really sad for our Asian countries who are running behind these people. Are they good role models? No. इनकी तरह बनना है. ये जो फैशन करते हैं वो हमें फॉलो करना है. अरे वो क्रिकेटर का ये हेयर स्टाइल है, तुम्हें ये वाला हेयर स्टाइल, द यंग बॉयज ये वाला हेयर स्टाइल, फीमेल्स का ये वाली ड्रेसिंग सेंस ये बंदी की है, तो मैं यही वाली ऐसे वाली हेयर स्टाइल और ऐसे वाला लुक लूंगी. नो, दे हैव स्टाइलिस्ट who's working on them 24/7. They have so much of makeup on their face. If you see them without makeup, you will not even recognize them, even if they sit next to you. इतना change होता है. And most of them are quite obnoxious in their personal lives. So really, you will be like, भाई picture ही देख के काफी है यार. No need to know them personally. And these females come from small town wanting to be Bollywood actresses, and they end up being escorts and prostitutes here in Bombay. They think that big break आ जाएगा, दूसरों को मिल रहा है. अरे भाई, what are the chances? Even if you'll get something bits and parts, that also you'll be sleeping around with so many people. Casting couch is so rampant. You are a nobody. Even the guys are similarly abused over here. They come with big dreams from this Punjab and that north and all that. I'll make a big break. मैंने बोला हाँ big break तो मिल जाएगा, यहाँ वहाँ थोड़ा बहुत रोल या TV series में मिल जाएगा. And to get there, you know what you have to do, na? Yeah, exactly. Whatever they tell you to do. Running behind cricketers, spending that same, and imagine they are so cheap. These cricketers, it's like that. उनका जब when they are playing, उनके पूरे T-shirt, उनके pads, उनके पूरे कैप, they are fully loaded with brands. It's like they are a hoarding, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, banner, walking banner. How stupid that looks. Vivo Mobile और पता नहीं क्या Emirates और पता नहीं कौन सा airline. Then what stupidity is this? And what value they are adding to the society. Let me tell you, your Bailia Sachin Tendulkar is such a nitwit, such a dumbass. When he was giving a chance to Rajya Sabha, he did not even attend the parliamentary session. Plus, he's such a lousy. He even took all the money, all the salary, all the facilities that I can't even get the right word. Moron, retard. Besides playing cricket, he has no awareness of any other thing. A big statue is there on Pali Hill, over there. Pali Hill, ये Carter Road पे है उसका. That's where he's staying. I felt like, demolishing it when I saw it. मैंने बोला, why are you uglifying the sea face? She, such a huge, like a रावण की तरह वो होता है ना. मैंने बोला, जला दो इसको भाई. Useless है ये आदमी. Besides playing cricket, what else? What is the benefit for us citizens if they are playing cricket or if they are making movies? Are they entertaining us? They are torturing us with their unwanted agendas and propagandas. Oh my god. It's a fact. जो fact है वो fact है. I'll speak more on this topic. Vidit Pandya.